Okay.
Old lady with the smiling face in front of my gate.
In front of your gate. Okay.
She wanted to come inside.
Right. How old is she approximately?
Approximately 60, 55, 60.
55, 60.
Yeah.
How is she dressed? Look at her clothes.
She's wearing sari, cotton sari.
What are you doing in that moment when you looked at her?
I am welcoming her.
You're welcoming her. Okay. What are you saying? What words you have used in welcoming her?
आप क्यों आए हो और ये किसने बताया आपको पता? सो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ आपके लिए?
Listen to what she is replying.
तो आप मेरे बारे में बता दो कुछ. तो आप बताओ मेरे बारे में कुछ. आपका कार्ड तो बहुत अच्छा आया है. अभी आपका सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. जाएंगे देखेंगे तो मुझे बहुत सारा काम करना है. आप चले जाओ.
Then what happened? What is she saying?
मैं ना आपको लेने आई हूँ. आपको पैर छूने आई हूँ. नहीं नहीं, आप मेरे पैर नहीं छू सकती. And she started knee down in front of me.
How you felt in that moment?
She become like an evil.
Like an evil. Okay.
Yeah. She's laughing loudly.
How you felt in that moment when you looked at her face, which is turning?
I'm not able to feel that.
Right.
I think she's disappeared.
Then what happened? I'd like to completely experience that moment, whatever is happening.
I'm not able to stand. My body is there. I can see myself without my body.
Oh, right.
I'm just like in small bubble.
Small bubble now. Right. Yes. Tell me more about this experience when you are that small bubble. How you feeling? What you are experiencing?
I was feeling totally light,
Totally light.
happy, vibrant,
Right.
moving one place to other place
Yes.
like a butterfly.
क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं आप?
बहुत डार्क है, अंधेरा है, बहुत अंधेरा है.
अंधेरा है.
या
Right.
और मैं ऐसे जा रही हूँ जैसे वो बलून हवा में उड़ता है, ऊपर से उड़ती जा रही हूँ.
Right.
You know, from I'm thinking where I'm going, why I'm going.
Okay.
I have to complete my work.
Right.
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go.
No, but I'm going.
You're going.
I don't know the path where I'm going. I cannot see anybody else there. Nobody is there.
Okay.
Suddenly I am seeing some torch.
Right.
Somebody is showing me torch.
Yes. Tell me about this torch. Somebody showing this light to you.
There is so many torches there. Total dark turn into light.
Right. Tell me about this.
Everything is golden there.
Golden. Right.
Silver is also there. There is white, lots of white birds. Everybody is laughing there.
Everybody is laughing.
I am little confused where I am. I don't know who they are. मैं बहुत सारा काम छोड़ के आई हूँ. वो मुझे अंदर बुला रहे हैं.
Right.
मुझे वापस जाना है. I'm little confused
Right.
where I am. I don't know who they are. Suddenly I am feeling very happy.
Ah, then what happened?
There is a roll call going on there.
Okay, what is this? Can you describe more about this roll call?
They are calling one by one people.
How many are there?
50, 60 people.
50, 60 people.
But my number is, I think, 4, 5.
4, 5. Okay.
Yeah, I am in queue.
You are in queue.
Yeah.
This point of time, go on describing whatever is happening when each number is called, when the roll call is on.
They are going inside the gate.
Can you describe about this, that gate and what is inside?
Inside, like an big chair, and like an king, people are sitting there.
Okay, who is sitting there on the golden chair? Is there anyone there?
Yeah, very peaceful person. And वो मेरा तो काम पड़ा है बहुत सारा. मैं कैसे जा सकती हूँ अंदर? मैं बहुत सारा काम छोड़ के आई हूँ. वो मुझे अंदर बुला रहे हैं.
Right.
मुझे वापस जाना है.
Then what are you doing? What's happening?
No, I am telling them only.
You're telling them. Are you inside that gate?
No, I am in front of the gate.
In front of the gate. Right. They're calling you.
Yeah.
When you're saying to them that you have so much work to do, what are they saying?
They are just smiling.
They're just smiling. Okay.
They are giving me blessings. I think coming back.
Right now, just stay for a while there. I'd like you to establish this connection, communication with those beings. Those who are inside that gate, who are in that golden throne. Okay. I'd like you to now just go little forward, even inside the gate, to communicate. I'd like you to ask them about why they have called you. Whatever response that they are giving to you,
We just want to meet you and giving you blessings. And we used to meet you earlier also.
ask them about who they are.
They are my master ascendant.
Master Ascendant, right. Also, you can receive several messages from this Master Ascendant.
He is quite far.
I'd like you to, in this soul state of consciousness, instantly you can build this connection. You can be so near to this Master Ascendant. Who is that lady who has come into your home? Ask these people, this Master Ascendant, about that lady who has come to your home.
This lady belongs to Baba Sai Baba.
Right. Okay. Ask.
She was in Shirdi that time,
Right.
and she's always helping Sai Baba,
Right.
making food for him. Maybe this person is path. This lady is path to giving blessings from my master.
Right. How are you feeling being there as a soul in that plane?
Very nice.
Very nice. What are those people who are waiting in the queue, who are called inside? What are they doing?
They are going inside, I don't know.
They're going inside. Do you want to stay there? Do you want to go inside?
No.
No. I'd like to receive all the blessings that they have given to you, completely bring it back. I'd like to totally fill yourself,
Yeah, I am already filled
already filled.
and so much of energy and vibrant.
So wonderful,
I'm so happy and thrilled.
thrilled. I'd like to finally receive one message from the Master Ascendant.
They wanted to give the message of peace to this universe.
To this universe, peace to this universe, right? Right. At this point of time, I would like you to completely realize about why you are coming back.
To make people smile.
To make people smile. Like you to say goodbye to all those beings in that world with all the gratitude for all these wonderful messages they have given to you. This point of time, start slowly coming back in the same way. This time it is descending down. I'd like to describe this journey which you are now coming backwards, this return journey. How you're feeling?
Happy.
Happy, right? Yes, slowly, slowly. I'd like to, before entering into that body, I'd like to describe what you're seeing from outside. What is your body's posture?
Lying down.
Lying down, right? Are you inside the room or outside?
Outside. I'm
Outs-
coming back.
You're coming back, okay. Is your body inside the room in that moment?
No, I'm enjoying.
Enjoying, right? Okay. Okay, at this point of time, slowly, slowly enter into that body. Okay. And when you woke up, when you opened your eyes, I'd like to tell me what you have seen around you, what you have noticed around you.
There is a phone bell ringing,
In that moment, okay. And what did you do in that moment?
Nothing, I'm trying to find out the phone.
Okay. How you felt in your body in that moment?
I'm just like an stone.
Tell me about what you're speaking in the phone. And what did you do in that moment?
Nothing, I'm trying to find out the phone.
Okay. How you felt in your body in that moment?
I'm just like an stone.
Stone. Yes. Yes.
I'm seeing my body is only lying down.
Lying down. Is it on the ground or on the bed?
No, on the settee.
Then what happened?
Yeah, I picked up the phone.
You picked up the phone. Okay. Tell me about what you're speaking in the phone. Remember about that phone call that you received in that moment?
I was telling my friend,
Yes.
Parminder,
Yes.
ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ?
Oh. What is your friend saying in that moment?
Are you all right?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
How you feeling to come into the body?
I
again?
wanted to share this experience with so many people.
Right.
Yeah, I wanted to touch things
Yes.
and change the world.
Right. How it feels to you after entering into your body.
I'm blessed.
Blessed.
Totally blessed.
How you feeling when you are remembering that Master Ascendant and those beings on the other world, other side?
Very cheerful, happy.
Happy, right. This point of time, I'd like to slowly come back. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. this counting process, totally can come back to this moment. You'll be feeling very energetic, very, very peaceful, with the smile from your heart and soul. 1. All the way back to this moment. It's radiating energy, radiating smile. 2. Empowered, energized, enlightened. 3. Come back to this moment. Whenever you are ready, start slowly, slowly opening your eyes. Feeling so fresh, so relaxed. Take your own time to open your eyes. Whenever you are ready. How are you feeling, Dr. Seema? Yeah. Up. कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत अच्छी,
Wonderful, wonderful.
बहुत अच्छी.
Yeah. Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
Very happy. I'm happy too. It's wonderful. Let me give you a hug.
वेलकम बैक
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
वेलकम बैक. आइए बैठिए. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. मुझे लगता है कि हर एक इंसान को इस कार्यक्रम में आना चाहिए और ज़रूर से देखना चाहिए कि उनकी लाइफ में ऐसा क्या क्या चल रहा है और वो यहाँ किस उद्देश्य के लिए आए हैं. और मुझे लगता है कि वो भी मेरी तरह खुश होना चाहते हैं तो ज़रूर आए यहाँ पर.
इट्स वंडरफुल. आपको अपना उद्देश्य मिल गया?
बिल्कुल मिल गया और वो अभी मुझे ज़्यादा आप बताएंगे क्योंकि मुझे आधी चीज़ें से ज़्यादा कुछ याद नहीं है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने कुछ देखा है ऐसा कुछ.
जी.
तो पर्पस मुझे इतना ही समझ में आता है कि मुझे सबको खुश देखना है.
ठीक है.
और जैसे मैं हूँ वैसे सबको चाहती हूँ मैं खुश रहूँ.
जी जी ठीक है. तो आपके हर सवाल का जवाब अभी मिलेगा. डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
जी.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी हमें बताइए, इन्होंने जो वो गोल्डन गेट्स देखे वो क्या थे?
या एक्चुअली मैं सब एक्सप्लेन करूँगी जो कुछ भी सीमा जी ने एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. पहले जब उन्होंने उस पार चली गई थी, देन शी सॉ सम वाइट बीइंग्स. सो इसी को हम कहते हैं एंजल्स. You know, all those beings who are guiding us, who are helping us on the other side. और उसके बाद उन्होंने वो गोल्डन गेट की तरफ गई और कई लोग क्यू में खड़े हुए थे. This we call it as council of elders. जो कुछ भी उस पार जाते हैं तो उस she has seen one great master or somebody on a golden throne
chair.
actually golden chair. So yeah, ascendant master. इसी को हम कह सकते हैं God or the divine source. And but